What a beautiful morning. How you doing? We are up. Well, actually, I'm not sure that Rory's up. She was up. No, she wasn't. Kayla was up. Went to go check on her because Rory wasn't up. And it's like 8:30. Hey! Hi!
It's time to move on to underwear now.
Time to move on to underwear.
At my time.
You were dry again? High five.
I'm not really ready.
You're not really ready? I think you're ready.
I was hoping to get up.
Made it home and Rory... Oh, she's drinking the pool water. You alright? Are you having fun, Rory?
Yes.
Nice.
I have to save the beetle.
Oh, okay. Deal is not feeling super great, and he's not eating his dinner, so he can't swim right now.
But I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Well, you gotta eat something, bro. Riker's over here just like dying of boredom. I'm gonna do some fireworks here in a few minutes. Just a little bright right now for that kind of thing. We might be celebrating the 4th of July, but it's never a party without some Hispanic music.
Hispanic music.
What is it?
It's like,
African.
yeah.
I see you. Good job, buddy. As in, good job holding on when mom's whipping you around. Ah! So much for good job. We're gonna switch to B-roll because there's a lot of background music. Here we go.